To order a new card on Capital One, start by logging into your online account or mobile app. If you do not have an online account, you can create one by going to the Capital One website and following the registration process. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Account Management section where you can view all your accounts. Select the specific account that you want to request a new card for, such as a credit card or debit card. Look for the option to request a replacement card, which is usually found under the Account Settings or Account Services menu. Click on this option and follow the prompts to initiate the request. You will need to provide a reason for requesting a new card, such as a lost or stolen card, or a damaged card. If your card is lost or stolen, it is a good idea to report it to Capital One immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can do this by calling the customer service number on the back of your card or by using the mobile app. After you have submitted your request, Capital One will review and process it. You can expect to receive your new card within 3 to 7 business days. You will also receive an email or notification when your new card has been mailed. When you receive your new card, make sure to activate it immediately by following the instructions provided with the card. You will need to provide your card information and verify your identity to complete the activation process. It is also a good idea to update any recurring payments or automatic transactions with your new card information to avoid any disruptions to your services. You can do this by logging into the websites of the merchants or service providers and updating your payment information. By following these steps, you can easily order a new card on Capital One and get back to using your account with minimal disruption. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent any unauthorized activity.